Today at Ray's Reviews, we're going to review the Ninja CM401. We only review products that we use in our house on a regular basis, and we'll show you the in and outs right here. So the Ninja CM401 is a very versatile machine. It's very compact in the way it's laid out. It looks good on the counter, but it doesn't take a lot of space. When we look at it from right to left, you've got your control panel here. This button right here is your on-off button. We'll go through the different styles of coffee that you can use. It also has a removable reservoir, which is very handy, that you don't have to bring the whole coffee machine or fill a pot, then put it in. You fill it right direct, but it also shows you the different levels and what it can fill. It can handle up to 10 cups of water and set up 10 cups of coffee, but also can handle doing 8 different sizes. Since we're only 2 people, we don't use this big reservoir one because we like different coffees for each of us. So what you could do is bring down the coffee cup holder, and there it is right there, which holds the cup that you need. It doesn't work for travel cups, and in that case, you just put that back up and you put your travel cup under it. But since we're using a regular cup to show you today, we'll just fold this down. For the filter, we use the reusable filter. And if you're green, you don't have to use paper filters. It's easy to fill up and no use of pods as well. So you fill up, again, right inside here. We'll show you how we do it. In this case, we like to use one of the name brands for coffee. And on the side, they actually have the scooper filled in for you so you can measure your coffee. So you just reach into the coffee with your attached spoon, pour it in there, then push this back in. We use this we set it up on the off drip, so you don't start dripping until you're ready for it. So this turns on when you're ready to be in the coffee. Now this is the part that makes me the barista at home, so I can go work at a real coffee shop. There is a fold-away frother on the side right here, which this part attaches and detaches. You have to hand clean it, but it's very powerful. So you just twist it back on. We got some heated up milk. Just put the milk into the frother, push the button, 30 seconds, and it froths it up perfectly as if you're at a real coffee place. Then when you're done, tap it closed. We usually take this and put it into the sink and then put your coffee. Now, some people put the froth in on top of the coffee. We use our trick when we do cappuccinos at home is we use the froth and then we hit rich in this case. So what you do is you open up the filter so the drip will go through, and that was the warning, hit rich, and this will allow us to do a cappuccino at home just on this size. So you can do 8 types of different drinks, whether you do coffee on ice, the rich one for cappuccinos, macchiatos, or you can do the regular brew, or you could do specialty coffees. Easy to use, works fast, it's efficient, easy to grab a cup of coffee and leave. We're very happy with it for months. We use it 2, 3, 4 times a day, and we recommend from Ray's Reviews, this is a great coffee machine for you to use at home and enjoy your coffee on a daily basis and save money by not running to the store, but do it yourself. And you end it with Ray's Reviews.
You can join us for a cup of coffee. Look what we got. The new Ninja. Stainless steel. Basket rolls out. Put the coffee in. Frother on the side. Water tank removes so you can put filtered water from the fridge, and it only dispenses what you select. So little cup, medium cup, travel cup, XL travel cup, half a pot, full pot, classic, rich, or custom brew, specialty brew for like iced coffee. Got a separate warmer switch. This is the shut off, so if you want to cheat on the pot, that's how you do that. Made a few pots with it already. So this little thing here goes up for the cup. Or putting a travel mug there. Just take it out. The warmer doesn't come on unless you tell it to come on. The warmer only comes on in the pot mode anyway, to make sure you don't burn your cups. And here's the pot. Nice filter already built into it. Hope you like it. We love it. Oh, let me show you how this frother thing works. Well, can't do it with
I've got a hot plate for the craft. You can program it to for however many hours you want to, keep it hot. Up to 4 hours. You can set the temperature. If you just want to do a single mug, there's that. Just a regular size 4 cone filter. It comes with one that you can just clean if you want to. I would prefer, since we have several people that drink different coffees, I prefer to use regular coffee filters. You can switch it, like if it's while it's brewing, if you want to grab a cup, you can switch it to stop drip, and you can pour a cup, put it back, turn the drip back on, it'll drip. You can program it to start at any time that you want it to. You have the choice between classic, rich, over ice, cold brew. Holds a good amount of water. I'm really enjoying this. I had a Keurig before this, and I used reusable pods because I prefer to use ground coffee, and it just didn't taste as good as this. I can't believe the flavor that I get from this. I highly recommend this.
This is my first video, so bear with me. But you just take that off, you flip that down, and then you place your cup just like so. It's got rubber on here so that your cup doesn't slip, which is very, very nice for safety. And this very easily just swings out. If you want to stop the flow, you press this, and then you can pull the pot out and pour some coffee, and then you put it back so that the drip continues. It's got a warming plate that you can turn on or off right here. You can do a delay brew. And it was just, it was very easy. More importantly, tastes delicious. Oh, and this is the measuring cup that I referenced in my review. It has little measurements. I love how it just stays there. And then I also frothed my creamer. And then if you need, you just go like this. You rinse it, you put it back, and you lock it. And then you push it back. It's that simple. I literally just put this together, put the timer on, already cleaned it and made a cup of coffee. Couldn't be happier. If you're thinking about it, make the purchase.
Okay, so here we have the old carafe. Nice click, pretty sturdy. There's also no sharp visible plastic. And then this one, I mean, you can even just see like the quality of the plastic here. And this is what it sounds like. And And then brand new out of the box, there's like plastic. So my coffee is gonna brew, and then all this plastic is gonna go right into my coffee. So that's fine.
How cool is this? I love this coffee machine. If you want to make a little individual, you can put it there. If you want to make a little pot, you can put it there. If you want to go travel, put it there. Has a nice little warmer underneath. Keeps your coffee warm. Just take the water, fill it up. Simple. No need for anything. And over here you've got a frother. Amazing. Little measuring cups. So you can decide how much coffee to put in. This is like the coolest thing ever. I think when I move, I'm gonna put it with the window behind it because you can see right through the back of it. It's beautiful. Super easy. Just put your coffee in. Got all my little mixing stuff. This is a great machine. And you can put over ice. So it'll make it real strong so that when you put it over the ice, it accommodates for the water so you don't get watery iced coffee. This is great. I love this machine. This is the best coffee machine I've ever had.
So I bought this for my husband for Christmas, and we absolutely love it. So you have the carafe if you're going to have multiple cups of coffee or more people, and then there is for a single cup. It's perfect. It has all of the scoops on what you would do for each sizing. I like that it's magnetic on the side, and then you also have the frother, which we never really use, so I can't attest to how that is, but it just pops out, froths the milk, you're good to go. And here is the charting of how much water you put in for what you want. Really simple, not hard at all, and just completely recommend it. I would say is really decently priced for what it does and the quality of the item, and we absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a gift or a coffee maker, this is it.
So this unit does come with a permanent coffee filter in here, but I still recommend using, you know, your basic paper coffee filters, because, you know, just put it inside here, you know, and voila, there's no cleanup. So I would definitely recommend still using a paper filter, because I mean, all I have to do is just a quick rinse and it's perfectly clean.